Instant Pot 7 Error Fix, Easy Troubleshooting Guide. Fix 1. Ensure steam release valve is on sealing. Step 1. Turn the steam release knob fully to sealing, not venting. Step 2. Wiggle it gently to make sure it isn't stuck. Run it under hot water to loosen if needed. Fix 2. Free up the float valve. Step 1. Open the lid, press the float valve down and let go. It should move freely. Step 2. Clean around it with a soft brush or damp cloth to remove debris. Fix 3. Inspect and reinstall sealing ring. Step 1. Remove the silicone gasket from the lid. Step 2. Check for wear, cracks, stretching, or odors. Step 3. Reseat it evenly, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace if damaged. Fix 4. Add minimum required liquid. Step 1. Measure and add at least 1 cup for 3 QT, 1 cups for 6 QT, 2 cups for 8 QT. Step 2. Don't exceed the max fill line.